Catching up again with a smart Wi-Fi company for lighting. Very cool stuff. We had this guest on with us in Berlin at IFA a couple of years ago, and we're fascinated by what he was showing. And of course, he's now here in Las Vegas showing some more cool products. He is the VP of Sales and Marketing, co-founder of WiZ Connected, Jerome Leroy. Jerome, welcome back into Tomorrow. How you doing?
Pleasure, Dave. Yeah, great. Great to be in Vegas.
Glad to have you with us as well on this side of the world, if you will. Tell me what you're showing here in Vegas this year.
Yeah, so this year we are introducing some pretty cool products that we've been developing. Our engineering team, we call them the Wizards, have been able to change a bit what traditionally is Wi-Fi, because
so the Wizards, because WiZ, W-I-Z, right? The Wizards, okay.
Are the R&D team.
Yes, I love it.
So what we did is, normally Wi-Fi is pretty high energy consumption. So it's very difficult to get remote, soft switches, motion sensor in Wi-Fi. It used to be Zigbee or Bluetooth. But our wizards, our engineers, have been able to strip down the code of Wi-Fi, coming to a very low energy consumption level, and we are able to control lights, dozens of them, on a 50 feet range with just a click, a push on the WiZ Remote, which is a new remote control we are introducing here, where you can control the lights even without your Wi-Fi router or any internet connection. So it's about being connected but being wireless in any circumstances. And we are introducing as well a sensor here, which is a motion sensor and lux sensor, so you can have some scenarios based on presence, but as well about what we call daylight harvesting. So if you are, for instance, more lights in your kitchen in summer, you don't need light in the afternoon, but winter time, 2-3 p.m., the light might activating magically.
Oh, okay, so it's really sensing the existing light in a room to then adjust accordingly for you automatically.
Exactly. Exactly, and saving energy.
Yeah, more wizard work.
Yes, exactly. And we are coming as well with new screens for energy consumption monitoring, with as well ability to save power and save energy in your home by optimizing schedules, routines, and monitor them on a daily, weekly basis.
And working with smart intelligent speakers as well, and being able to turn things on and off by voice?
And remotely. Google Assistant, Siri shortcuts from Apple, and Amazon as well, Alexa. Yeah.
Excellent. So that's good, because some companies that have not been seeing into tomorrow will work with maybe one or two of the platforms and not, like you mentioned, all four of the majors right now.
We do.
It's good that you do, because people invest in one or the other. Sure. We all have a bunch of everything because we have to talk about them all the time. But most people in their home, they'll have Alexa, or they'll have Google Home, or maybe the Apple products or something. Yeah. It's good to know that the integration is there for all of the major platforms. So.
Absolutely, and this is the case. We have as well a very good integration with IFTTT, and a lot of scenarios are possible. For instance, if your Uber car is arriving 2 minutes before the light can flash, Domino's Pizza, 5 minutes before you can call the kids for the dinner, and integration with, of course, Nest and Ring through IFTTT. Yeah.
And the app, I'm assuming, works very easily, right, with any of the products?
Absolutely. You just play the lights and connect it to the internet, and immediately you can be by your own with your scenario. No need to additional stuff to make it happen. Yeah.
Products available now?
Yes, in Home Depot.
Home Depot, congrats.
2,200 stores. So they are under the brand of Philips Wi-Fi, because WiZ has been acquired by Signify. Okay. So it's quite a big deployment, and I think everybody is very happy of what's happening now in Depot. And we have as well Costco moving several SKUs across the market too.
That's awesome. Well, continued good luck to you guys. I'm glad that we've helped in a small way to let people know more and more about WiZ. And of course, you can know more when you visit WiZ Connected, WiZ Connected.com. We'll get you there too when you hit us up at intotomorrow.com. Jerome, thanks for spending another few minutes with us. Congrats and good luck here in Vegas.
Thanks, Dave. A real pleasure.
It's our pleasure. Our pleasure as well. We're back with more as Into Tomorrow continues from Lost Wages, Nevada. I'm Dave Graveline here on the Advanced Media Network.